Today, we are going to be trying out some makeup from the FOCALLURE X SANRIO collab. Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back. These are all of the products na meron ako guys. Not everything, but medyo madami. And great news kasi all of these products guys, less than 300 pesos lang. I mean, you guys already know, I love creating makeup looks using affordable products. Kaya when I saw these products, sobrang na-excite talaga ako. And also side note lang guys ha, some of the products nga pala dito na test ko na, nagawan ko na ng video sa TikTok, so hindi na to first impressions. I mean, not totally first impressions kasi nga, again, may na-try na ako. So, yung ilan na lang dito yung mga hindi ko pa natatry. To save time off, cam ko na ginawa yung base ko and these are the products na ginamit ko. And both of these products actually, nagawan ko na ng video sa TikTok. So, for those of you na gustong malaman yung full review ko dito sa mga products na to, make sure to follow me on TikTok at Kenny Manalad. For primer, ito yung ginamit ko. This one is the FOCALLURE X Chromie, the base primer. This one is a pore filling and mattifying primer. So if you have textured skin, oily skin, and you want something that will make your skin, you know, very velvety, soft, and mattified, this one right here, okay siya. This is how the product looks like. And the best part about this product is that it doesn't feel sticky at all. Very velvety and soft to the touch since silicone primer siya. For foundation, ito yung ginamit ko. This one is the FOCALLURE X Cinnamon Roll Lasting Flawless Foundation. And for this, 4 yung shades na meron. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen yung swatches. Again, nagawan ko na ng video to. So if you wanna see the wear test, how this looks like, and also kung meron siyang flashback, make sure to watch my TikTok. Actually, maganda to for everyday kasi very light siya sa skin. It has medium but very buildable coverage. Oily skin friendly and mapa-cameraman or personal maganda siya. And just in case na-miss nyo kaninang sinabi ko, this is the foundation I'm using today. And yung shade na ginamit ko is CL01. Hindi pa ako tapos magkilay and ito yung gagamitin ko to finish my brows. And this one is the FOCALLURE X Chromie Brow Pomade. And look at the packaging, super interesting. Brow pomade siya, but look, it is like a liquid lipstick. We have BR01, BR02, and BR03. And kapag ka binili nyo to guys, meron na siyang kasamang brow applicator, brush, and spoolie. Shade I'm using is BR01. Maglalagay lang ako sa likod ng kamay. And yan guys, what I'm doing is, i-fill ko lang yung brows ko using the pomade, just to give it some shape. And I'm mainly focusing it sa outer part lang since that's how I normally do my brows anyway. This is such a nice brow color, guys. Again, BR01 ang gamit ko. So if you have dark hair, this is the perfect color. And over here, I'm just doing light strokes. Look at the difference. This side is fuller looking but very natural pa din. Smudge and budge proof din siya. Look at that. To set my face, I'm gonna be using this powder. Grabe, sobrang cute ng packaging. This one is the FOCALLURE X My Melody Blur Matte Powder Foundation. And again guys, this is how it looks like once you open it. And for this powder guys, I have total of 3 shades. We have CL01, CL02, and YL01. I'm gonna use CL01. Medyo may fallout lang siya, so be careful. And I'm just gonna press it on my skin to set and, of course, mattify my skin. And also, quick heads up nga lang pala guys, ha? Yung skin ko ngayon sobrang textured kasi nagpipeel siya, nagbabalat. So, if you see some texture, hindi kasalanan ng product. It's because of my skin talaga. And that's it, guys. Yun lang. Okay to for setting the face kasi it doesn't feel heavy at all. And yung texture niya, pinong-pino, hindi siya gritty. Great for everyday. It doesn't feel, you know, suffocating on the skin. To add color sa face, eto naman yung gagamitin ko. Eto yung FOCALLURE X My Melody 3-in-1 Face Palette. We have PP01. These are the swatches. PP02. Here are the swatches. And OR03. And eto yung swatches. I'm using PP01. May slight fallout siya, so make sure to tap off the excess. And then guys, I'm just stamping it sa outer perimeter ng face ko. I like the color. Perfect for bronzer. It looks intimidating on the pan, but once you blend it, actually, once you apply it, okay siya, maganda. Again, on the powdery side lang siya, but in terms of how it looks like sa face, okay siya. So just be careful, tap off the excess, ganon. Or kaya naman magsimula muna kayo sa konting product and just build it up so that you don't get intimidated. But if ever na mapadami yung product na nilagay nyo guys, just get a powder foundation, blend it on top, and it can help to soften everything. So no problems at all guys. Mabilis solusyonan. Same palette for blush. I'm gonna be using this one. This one is nice. Little to no fallouts. And I'm just gonna apply this sa highest point ng aking cheek. This one is such a nice salmon shade. I like this. And I also like na buildable yung pigmentation, kaya it is not intimidating, especially for beginners. You don't have to worry because it's not like intense kagad once you apply it. So it's up to you if you want to intensify it or just keep it sheer. Oh my god, I almost forgot. We have eye and face brushes nga din pala. This one right here is the FOCALLURE X Cinnamon Roll brushes, eye and face brushes. And I'm gonna use some of them so that matest natin. For the eyes, ito yung product na gagamitin ko. This one is the FOCALLURE X My Melody Lasting Color Eyeshadow. I have PP01 and PP02. This side is PP01 and this side is PP02. I'm gonna use PP01. This one for transition. And I'm going to apply this all over my lid. Just as my base color. It's pigmented and easy to blend. Then moving on with this one. And I'm going to apply this on the outer and inner half. Making sure to blend everything. And by the way, I'm doing a halo eye nga pala. Next is this one. This will be my base lang. And I'm just going to apply this sa center. And slightly above the brow bone. Going back with the darkest shade, I'm just gonna blend the edges. And finally, I'm using this one. Para siyang pressed glitter and I'm using my finger. And look at... Wow, this is so nice. Get this palette, guys. I'm so happy. Super easy to use. You have all that you need in here. And the effect, the finish is just so pretty. It's also pigmented. I love this eye makeup. And then for my lower lash line, I'm just applying the same colors or matte colors that we used. And then I'm gonna apply the same glitter that we used sa center ng lid for my inner corner. For lips, ito yung gagamitin natin. This one is the FOCALLURE X Cinnamon Roll Tinted Matte Lip Cream. We have PP01, PK02, MU01, OR03. And I'm using OR02. Ooh, this is nice. Very easy to apply. And the color is so good. Very lightweight. Kapag ka pinapress yung lips, it doesn't feel heavy or, you know, parang thick. Let's add MU01 sa center. I feel like it's gonna look amazing. Yup. See that? Perfect combination. And here we have it. This is the final look. Again, all of the products I used are less than 300 pesos. This one is the FOCALLURE X SANRIO collaboration. And if you guys want to try any of these products, make sure to check my description box kasi all of these, as much as I can, ililink ko. Anyway, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.